Hi beautiful Nono Obis, welcome back to my channel. This is a girl, of course, Nono Obi. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe below and give this video a thumbs up if you end up enjoying it. Of course, I know you're gonna enjoy it. So guys, this is about 14 days. Yes, I didn't do the video immediately because the girl was just chilling. Okay, this is the 14 days or 13 days after I came back from the hospital, and I'm just doing this video. Baby, of course, we're having a regular baby routine, which we all know about. By the way, I still have like the same routine I had with her when I had her in my tummy. Super cool. I've been carrying her this morning, trying to make her to sleep. She's been sleeping, but once I drop her to sleep, she wakes up. So right now I'm in a separate room trying to shoot this video while listening and waiting for when she's going to wake up. Apparently she's going to wake up because I just kept her to sleep in her little cradle. So guys, when I came back from the hospital, I had a few packages already waiting for me, and I said I was going to unbox that with you guys on the video. Okay, so as I'm unboxing it, we're telling story, you know, not like story but how it's been. Okay, this is from Zara. Yeah, and this I have another package from Shein, and I have another package from Temu, and I have another package from Good Molecules, guys, the almighty Good Molecules. Yes, I want to try this product. I'm going to open this with you guys and we'll see everything that is inside of it. But first, we're going to start with the Zara. Guys, you know things about this, I don't know, I'm sure this doesn't happen to me alone. I just found out lately that I hardly even shop for myself. I'm like, you know, the thing there, in fact, being a mother just entails so many things. Right now I don't even think about what to wear. I just think I'm looking good already. I just always think about what my kids are going to wear. So most of the time, if I have this little money and I want to shop, I go into shop, and before I know it, I don't buy any single thing for myself. I end up buying for only Chizitelo and Obina, and now third baby is out, so you still start thinking of how to get things for that one also. So it's crazy. At the end of the day, I have things in the cart that I want to buy for myself, but at the end of the day, I see that I have not gotten any of them. But just when I go into that cart, I do select and get only for the kids. So this is from Zara. Actually, I've ordered this thing before I went into delivery. Yeah, I think a few days before I gave birth. So I met it when I came back. This is just a t-shirt for Obina. Yeah, this is, yeah, from Zara also. This is just a t-shirt, school t-shirt for Obina, and this is a top for Chizitelo. But the thing is that this one is 4 to 5 years, and she's going to be 4 years. Yeah, she's gonna wear it now, but I'm sure it's gonna look a little bit big. Maybe this clothes is gonna sit her well when she's 4 years and 6 months, I think. But I don't know, I just love it. I just love everything to do, everything with the cape and stuff like that. It's going to fit, you know, when she puts her hair like a ponytail or stuff like that. Yeah, this is actually very beautiful. You know, when I shop on Zara, I usually pair with the clothes. Like if I get her a top, when you go down the top you got her, they'll show you matching trousers that can suit the top. If you get a trouser, they'll show you matching tops that can suit the trouser. So sometimes I shop in pairs. Like when I was buying this, they showed me the matching trouser that can suit with it, so I got the trouser as well. Then I just got this t-shirt for Obina because I just love what what has to do with the letter here. It's not so much. Yeah, this is for me. This is trench coat. I have not gotten myself something for a very long time. Trust me, guys. I usually get things for myself, but just when I go in to shop something, I end up shopping for the kids. I forget myself. But this time around, I just started to get this trench coat. You know, this trenchy coat thing from Zara. It's quite expensive, but I love it, so I got it. So that is it for the Zara thing. I have another product from Zara coming in, another package from Zara coming in today. Yes, I have another package from Zara coming in today. So that is it for Zara. So now we're going to go over to the, yeah, we're going to go over to the Shein, right? Yeah, we're going to go over to the Shein thing. Yeah, so this is a cleansing towel. if you don't want to use your face towel to clean your face because they say it contains a lot of bacteria, you can just get a cleansing towel for your face. You see what I was telling you now? This has to do with Chizitelu again. Chizitelu again. I told you guys I end up buying things for only this girl. Chizitelu. Chizitelu. Hey. Everything here is for Chizitelu again. Again. I just said that. Again. So let's see. Okay. You see, I've even forgotten what I got for her. This is jumpsuit. This is the jumpsuit trouser. Yeah, very beautiful. And this is for her again. You see, I don't think I'm ready to open this one after the other because everything is just for Chizitelu. Yeah, this is a top and a trouser. And 5 years. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this is for Chizitelu also. I think everything inside this Shein bag is for Chizitelu. So I'm not ready to start opening all of them because I don't have strength. This is for Chizitelu also. I think I got the bigger size. Yeah. This is for this camo. It's pink camo for Chizitelu also. This is for Chizitelu also. I think basically everything here is for Chizitelu. Yeah. This is Chizitelu also. Yeah. This is hers. I think everything here is for her. Yeah. This is for Chizitelu too. I think everything on this bag is actually for Chizitelu. Yeah. Everything here is actually for Chizitelu. Yeah. And then, oh, I just have just one. Out of 9 orders from Shein, I just have one thing for myself. I told you guys, anytime I have little change and I go in to buy something for myself, I don't do that. Just check this order. 9 orders, 9 beautiful orders, and just one is mine. Just one, it's mine. I just told you guys that I go in to buy something, I end up buying for Chizitelu, and I forget myself. So I actually got this wool. I'm about to open the Temu now. I actually got this wool from Temu. It's actually a very good deal. Oh, it came in with this as well. So nice. Yeah, so nice. Yeah, so I have this from Shein also. Yeah, from Temu. This is 4-pack of wool, Brazilian wool, and I got it for Chizitelu. Yeah, I don't know the last time I made my hair. Even the pre-stretched attachment I got for a very long time, like 26 inches. I'm yet to make that hair. Yes. So let's go back to this Temu bag. Yeah. Okay, I got this for Chizitelu. For Chizitelu's hair. You know, this normal pinky thing. And it's very little. I think Uju is gonna use this one and make hair for her. So she will know how to manage it in such a way that it will just be. I don't know how she's going to do it though, because it's very little. Maybe she'll just make her 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Maybe she will divide the hair in 10 places and use that mix twisting for her. You know. Yeah. Cut the hair in 10 places. Okay, that's the only thing. The hair is small. Yeah. So I got these glasses for myself. Yeah, just one cheap glasses. But I just love the way the shape was, and I got it. I just loved the shape. So let's see. This is what it looks like. Yeah, like I said, I loved the shape and I got it. It's transparent and the shape is beautiful. Yeah, it doesn't have a good case, but I have so many case glasses that I can exchange with it. Yeah, so let's keep it here for now. And I got this very beautiful jewelry piece for Chizitelu. She's gonna love it. This is hand piece, and this is neck. I also got this one for her. Yeah, this is hand piece, and this is neck. She's going to love it so much, but she's going to start with the other one. The other one looks a bit of a good quality. So let's see what's inside here. Yeah, the universal remote. You know, these children, they keep breaking the remote, they keep going to the remote to play, and at the end of the day, they keep breaking it. So I got this universal remote. Yeah, I'm going to show my husband when he's back. He didn't know I got it. So I got this pair of panties. I just saw it, this boxers pants for Chizitello. The quality is okay, it's not that bad. Yeah, the quality is not quality, but just this knicker panties from, yeah. So I got this very beautiful hair piece. Yeah, so sometimes you just manage to do the hair that you can do, and you just use this and pack it. So I got this for her also. So beautiful. Yeah, I got this for her. It came in two. So it came this way. So if she makes shuku, put one hair, put one hair. Then if she makes one ponytail, then I put only this one. So I got it too, because usually it's always shuku that we normally do. So that's why I got this one for her. So she can just use it on the both sides. You get me? Yeah. I don't even really need this one. Yeah. I think this is just to use and cover the excesses or something. I don't know. But I think either we use it, we'll figure it out. But let me just put it here. I think it's more beautiful here. Yeah, okay. I remember this. I got this for the new baby, but I have to put battery in it. It requires battery, not this thing that moves, but I have to put battery in it, and then I think it starts to play different songs. Yeah. Yeah, I love it. Okay, I don't know who this is for. Is it for Chizitello or is it for Obi? This should be for, I don't even know, but it's unisex. Chizitello can wear it, Obina can wear it. I think at this point they can share. I think it's 5 years. I'm not sure the age that uses this, but I'm gonna check it up. Yeah, 10. Yeah, so I got this. This is hair thingy for Chizitello. Yeah. Okay, I saw this set of boxers and I loved it. Obina still uses diaper, by the way, but I saw these boxers and I got it when he starts using, oh, what is it called, boxers. He can put on this. Yes, I love it. I've forgotten the age that wears this, but I don't know, I can't remember the age, but it's nice. This is for guys. This is one, this is the back design, this is the front design. Just something very interesting for kids, but when they see it they want to wear it, if I may put it that way. Maybe I just put this inside here. I think it's safer here. I think it's safer inside here. Just very packaged things, and looks beautiful. Yeah, I have 2 girls now, so they're gonna rock it together. So this is something I actually got in case if I want to watch Chizitello's hair. I can just put it, you know, right in the shower, or yeah, right on the tap, and it comes out here as a shower, and you can wash her hair. Yeah, so yeah, so I actually got this thing, um don't mind me. Yeah, so if you put it here, your toner or anything, yeah, your toner, basically you don't need to open it all the time. You just, it's not pressing. Do I need to do something before it starts to press? I don't know, but the idea is you press it down, the liquid comes out, and I think I need to put water inside it first before it can go that way, I think. Oh yeah, so now it's open. You press it and the water comes out. So yeah, okay, this is for me. Yeah, this is for me. This is like tattoo. Yeah, this is for me. This is like tattoo thing, and yeah. I'll still figure out how to use this tattoo thing. I don't know. Yeah, so this is my dental thing to remove you know, to wash your teeth, remove rubbish from your teeth, and yeah, yeah. I figured out how to use it. Yeah, so this is the neck piece, and this is the finger. I don't know. So yeah, this is the usual jewelry thing, and yeah, yeah, and the neck piece. Came with the neck piece as well. So we'll rock it one day. Yeah, one of the days we gonna rock it. So this is it. How many did I get? Did I buy two? I'm supposed to buy just one. Did I buy two? Did I buy two? I got two. So this is different sections flags. Yeah, very handy. I love it. I think you put in different things and you lock them, and yeah, for people that are still nursing children like me, just different layers, and with milk, cereal, whatever you think the child might need when you guys go out, just put it here. So it's very nice as well. Yeah, this is for washing the tongue. Yeah, for keeping your tongue clean. Did I buy this too? I have seen another one here also. Was it put extra for me, or did I get two and I didn't know? So guys, this is it for the Temu. So I've unpacked the Shein, the Temu, and the Zara. And now, okay, yeah, I didn't show you guys this. I also got this phone packed for my phone. Yes, and I got this as well. I got the brown one, and I loved it, and I tried to go again for this color, for Chizitello. Yes, so this is like the pink. So I got it for Chizitello as well, but I think this one is older. This is 6 years, but this is 6 years, but she's probably put it on when she's 5, because she still is big. Most times when I get things, like Zara would say 5 to 6 years, when she's 5 she can wear 6 years clothes. I don't know how to explain it, because I think she's much bigger. So guys, this is it for now. This is the good molecules. I'll see you guys in my next video where we'll be talking about this. So guys, this is just it. I'm back from the hospital and we are going, and it's so amazing that I've given birth already and the time is ticking, and before you know it, she's going to grow like Obina. She's going to grow like other people grew as well. And I'm so thankful to God for this journey, and I'm embracing it gradually. I'm loving it, I'm embracing it, I'm accepting it gradually. And I know that God who did this is going to make everything easy for me, and is going to protect us from evil eye, from the nsogbu ndị obodo anyị nọ na ya ha nche niile. I'm fine. This is one and duty. So that is just it. There is nobody that will love your child more than you. So having fear that you give back to a child and somebody else come and tell you you did this to your child, and they'll take the child and give to somebody else, it's very heartbreaking. You just I don't know if to call it a punishment for coming to live in their country. They know this pains us, and I don't just know. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video where I'll be unboxing this Good Molecules product. Bye. I would have brought baby to this channel, but don't worry, next time when we're doing the vlog, I'll definitely show her. It's because I'm unboxing and she's gotten a bit of nap, and I trust me, I don't want to disturb that. See you guys in my next video when I'll be unboxing the Good Molecules product. Do have a wonderful day. Bye. I think I'm looking good actually. Yeah, this is 14 days postpartum. I'm looking this wonderful. Isn't God amazing? Isn't God amazing? Bye guys.